with the bomb buckler?
Call your parents. Tell them if they ever want to see you again, I want 33,000 into my account.
33,000 for me? Oh, me never gonna see my family again. My family broke. Oh.
I said call them.
Why go on, mother?
Why go on like a Rasta mouse? You alright?
No, I'm not alright. I was in the park and one dusty looking lady and one lady came up to me. She told me she have sweets upon the car. Me said, me not want that. She said, alright, me have oxtail, me have curry goat and rice. Me said, what? Curry goat and rice? Yeah man, me there. And then me get there and she not have nothing. She lied. The bumbleclot bitch lied.
Hold on. So you mean to tell me that me picnic youth has been kidnapped? How are the Ras? What me have to do?
The lady said she want 33,000 Great British pounds.
33 bumbo pussy rascal.
Hold on, mother. Say that again. Listen.
33 bumbo pussy rascal blood clot Great British pounds. Are you mad?
Hold on, mother. You don't have 33,000 pounds?
No, me not have no blood clot 33,000 pounds. What you think? Me have money like Jeff Bezos?